kinda switching my video editor. Now, let me give you a little bit of background information. And what I mean by a little bit is 2 minutes of background information. Okay, so it's early 2017 and I just found a video editor on the App Store called iMovie. I'm sure you already know what it is. It's a free, simple, and easy to use video editor by Apple that anyone can just pick up and start using in about a day. And I really like this video editor, so it became my mainstream editor for a really long time. Until now. It all started when my friend Jenna from Rose Plays Roblox asked me, "Hey, can you help me with editing something on iMovie?" I said, "Yeah, sure, I'd be happy to help." And since I knew that she has a MacBook, I said, "Wow, I can finally learn iMovie on a Mac." Because if you know me, you'd know that I have a Windows PC. So I came over to her house, I started trying it, and I quickly realized that the iMovie on iPhone kinda sucks compared to iMovie on a Mac. So I wanted to look for some alternatives to iMovie instead of spending $1,000 plus to get a Mac. I first stumbled upon a video editor called DaVinci Resolve. It is really powerful, really amazing, except for the fact that even my i7 computer couldn't handle the application and kept crashing. So I was just like, yeah, DaVinci Resolve isn't gonna work. Need to find another one. And I quickly realized that my dad has an Adobe Creative Cloud plan where it can be used on up to 3 devices. And my dad was nice enough to lend one spot to me. So in that plan is the few applications like Photoshop, Bridge, and Lightroom, but there was also a video editor called Adobe Premiere Rush. And I said, why not give it a shot? So I tried it out on my computer. It wasn't really that good because it couldn't even read the files in my file explorer, and you can't even drag and drop. So that was a no-go. So the only option I had was Adobe Premiere Rush on mobile. How will it work out? The answer? It's quite good. Now, how is Premiere Rush better than iMovie? Well, the only reason I chose Premiere Rush over iMovie is because it gives you more control over your editing. Let me give you an example. Let's say I go into iMovie and I try to add an overlay to an existing video, whether it's cutaway, picture-in-picture, or split screen. Well, you can only add one overlay. You see, when I try to add a second overlay over the first overlay, you'll see this message. Whereas in Rush, I can place up to 3 overlays in the same section. So that's just one example of how Premiere Rush gives you more control over your video editing. There are many more, and I don't want to waste time, so I'll not explain them. Now that's not to say I'm completely ditching iMovie. You know what iMovie is good for? Those times where you have to edit quickly. You see, Premiere Rush is for the more precise edits that take more time. iMovie is for those really simple edits that you can do in just about 5 minutes, and the exporting time is also much faster than Premiere Rush. So, Premiere Rush I'm going to use as my main editor, but iMovie, I'm still going to keep that around. So, to summarize, Premiere Rush is a great video editor, and on mobile, it's even better than iMovie. In fact, you can create your own free Adobe account and use Premiere Rush in just about a day or 2 if you take the time. So, some of the videos I edit will be in Premiere Rush, and some of the videos I edit will be in iMovie. So, I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, wash your hands, take a shower, do whatever you need to do. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.